If a cop tells me something's illegal, I can, you know, pretty much assume it. Mathematics is a good one because I pretty much question everything. I want them to show how to, you know, thoroughly explain how to do the problem. That's how I've learned, because I've had so many teachers lie to me in mathematics and in my history classes that say, what's the equation that they used to say? When I was in pre-algebra, they said, parenthesis x squared plus 2, parenthesis x squared plus 2, you know, they want you to FOIL it. And they're saying it's impossible to FOIL it or something like that, when it's actually possible, they just will not teach you. And then I went to Algebra 1, no, I went to Geometry, and they were saying it's possible to prove that. Whoever told you that was lying to you. And I'm thinking, okay, you know, she's being honest that the teacher is, or the teacher was lying to me, she's gonna be honest. No. She'll also say something like imaginary numbers are impossible to solve. You know, you don't really know what they come out to. It's just, you know, you don't really know what imaginary number is. If I'm trying to remember my math correctly. She'll lie to you. And I go to my Algebra 2 teacher. He'll say that, you know, you can solve imaginary numbers, and he'll say something like, you know, you can't graph imaginary numbers, and then you'll go to calculus and you'll learn something new that he lied about. It goes on and on and on until finally someone tells you the whole truth. Correct. I believe the same thing. It's just really upsetting to have a teacher lie to you, saying that, you know, it's impossible. When really they should be saying, it's possible, I'm not going to teach you. If you can figure it out, I'll give you extra credit for it. That's one thing I've been looking for a teacher to say, but no one has ever said that to me. Hell, no one gives out extra credit anymore. It was just dumb back then. Lazy room, yeah. And people will believe whatever they hear in high school. Rumors, whatever, they'll believe it. It's horrible, it's dumb. I hated high school. Hated it so much, I made a like a 10-part series of Super Mario World explaining all my experiences in high school, but had to take it down because Nintendo did not want people making money off their videos, which is, yeah, they are arrogant. Which is understandable, but come on. Nintendo makes way more money than, you know, all the other YouTubers. Ugh. Yes, they have every right to do so, but it's just still, they're gonna get backlash by the community. Which is pretty funny to see that. Everyone in the community got pissed off. I did too, because I love playing Mario. Sure. I'll use that for the boss. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, I would too. I would be stingy if people started to illegally I can't speak today. If people started to illegally download the game, then I would, you know, put penalties against them. But them making videos and playing it, giving reviews, I would love for people to do that. If I ever made a game, which I wish I could make a game, but no one likes my ideas. I don't know. People just always ignore my ideas, especially in high school. People just ignore my ideas. No. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna get hit 3 times. Nope. 2 times. Some ideas. I have told people some ideas I have, but they always question it, like, oh, why do you do this? Why do you do that? Because it's my fucking idea. No. I hate getting questioned by people saying, you know, why do you want to do this? Why do you want to do that? Sorry, that was completely random. Just having like a memory lapse from high school. Fuck you. I also remember from high school in my speech class, you cannot... I do tell them some ideas, and they just question it. However, if they say their own ideas, no one questions it. It was always me. You know, it's like the same thing where the whole group votes for C, and you try and vote for A. People will go, why are you voting for A, dude? That's clearly the wrong answer, because we're all going for C. Be with the group, man. Oh, I completely forgot my idea. I forgot what it was like. I can't remember if it was like, I don't know. I was actually thinking about if I could make a game, I'd make it reflect my own life and what happened in my own life. I don't know if that'd be kind of too selfish. Wait, did I already pick up another pill? Yes! Thank you! Forget the common cold. Oh my god. So glad I picked that up. I don't care if I die. I would have it. Wow, thank you for interrupting me, little shit. I'd have it reflect my own life. Have it reflect on, you know, different things I want in life. I want to find. The thing about my life is I've always been looking for love, and I've always been looking for challenges. As every single day of my life, I have always been faced with challenges, but I've never been faced with love. I've never found love. It's one of the things in my life I've never found before. I have it kind of walk around that. Yeah, that's why I'm making a journal. Just someday make it a book. It probably would be better as a book, not a game. People playing video games, they want to see action and all that shit. Yeah, I'm making a journal. Personally, I'd call it a diary, but you know, with the stereotypes of high school and shit, and other people's ideas, people always say it's like, it's a journal for a guy and diary for a girl, you know. Oh my god, the same fucking item. Yeah. That's true. I like that too. I haven't wrote my diary in a while. I gotta write in it again. The thing with my diary is I tell the most deepest, darkest secrets that I don't believe anyone else knows. Well, no one knows what Iwabafet stands for. I put that in my journal, so if you ever want to find out what my name means, hack my computer and look and find my journal. Then you'll know what it means. I stupid flies, I swear. I can't move. Still can't move. Oh. I just see it as in making a book someday. The thing with me in a diary is that I don't have someone like a girlfriend or a boyfriend or whoever. I don't have someone to talk about my feelings, where if I have... yeah. I need to download a rat first? What do you mean? But but I don't have someone to explain my feelings to. That's kind of why I write in my diary. It just makes me feel better afterwards. Plus, I'm a pretty good writer. I'm not the best. I'm decent. When I was in junior high or high school, people always told me, you write like an adult. It's like, thank you. I learned how to type fast, and I learned, you know, different grammar rules, which there's really no rules in grammar, but oh well. Oh. Nice. Why would you need to download that? Like to find your journal or what? Oh, what a troll. Fine, I'll get this one. At least it helps get rid of the rocks though. I'm thirsty. Oh, I can't drink yet. Fuck. I accidentally went in here. Oh god. Come on down here. Oh, okay, I understand. Okay. It's actually not that hard to find. It's just right on my desktop. It's called... The file name is J or journal or something. Yeah, it just says journal. So if you looked at my desktop, it'd be right there. It says journal, all in caps. There it is. Start reading. However, I write a lot, so you're gonna have a fun time reading all that shit. Later on in life, when I decide if it's finally completed, and I've been on YouTube for quite a while, and I decide people want to know what how outfit means, then, or people, you know, still take interest in my YouTube channel, then I'll release it. Rosary. I probably could copy and paste a part of my journal that I can release, because I think it's one of the most interesting things I put in there. That's a really good thought. It can't be complete until you're dead. Huh. Now you're scaring me. You're gonna kill me, then release my book. Oh, hi Lappin, here's your journal, right? Yep, okay. Boom! You're dead. Let's release his journal. Yeah, I know. Ooh. That's fine. Well, you could think of it as like Diary of Anne Frank. When she passed away, I think it was her father who gathered up all her diary notes and then put it as a book. I believe that's how it went. Is that right? It was her father? I think so. That was a pretty good fucking book too. I loved it. How many times have I seen Mom's bra? It's about like the third time. Looking for other items I haven't found before. I just want to find a different item. Probably all the items I'm missing are coming from achievements.